So guys, for the first method, you want to check that your speakers are actually turned on. So if you have a power button on your keyboard, on your ASUS laptop keyboard, make sure that it's turned on. And now for the second method, you want to look in the bottom right of your taskbar, and you want to look at the speaker icon. You want to click on it. Make sure that you have this turned up and that it's not muted. And now for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand audio inputs and outputs. And then you want to find your speakers. You want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. And now for the last method, you want to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And then you want to find the audio troubleshooter. Click on run. And now this will come up. You want to click on this. Wait for this to load. And now it's going to ask you, do you have your consent to run this? You want to click on yes. And then you want to run this. You want to follow all the steps that come up. And then once you complete all the steps, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.